School has twisted some of you into needing to complete things. I need to see it turn green so I know I'm finished with that. You're not finished with anything. All of this builds on what happened before and what will happen to come. And it's an open book class, but I need you to understand when you click complete, when you get down at the end and you put the password in and click complete, you're telling me you not only understand, you not only watch these videos, and you not only understand what was said, you practiced all this and you can do it. If you're working on another project and you've got everything selected and I say, hey, deselect that or align those objects, align them to the artboard, align them to each other, the selection, align them to this key object, that all the things that I've went through, that you need to know how to do that. That's when you click complete. So clicking complete is low rewards, a little bit of XP, and high damage potential because it comes down to honesty. And I wanted to make this a chain so that you couldn't get to Illustrator Part 2 without completing Part 1, but I don't want you to complete Part 1 until you know it, so I made this a pod. So after you've watched this video and all the other ones and you've practiced, go ahead and go to Part 2 and leave Part 1 yellow. Unless you really believe you can withstand my asking you to do a half a dozen things, one after another, because that's what I'll do, just to see if you really know what you're doing. And it doesn't happen this early in the year for 99.9% of the kids. That's okay. We're building our skills. We're not in a hurry. We're working at our own pace, and we're interested in long-term goals. By the end of this year, I want you to be a pro around the computer, know your way around Illustrator and Photoshop, how to modify image, how to do all the creative things we're going to do in here. But that doesn't happen just by clicking buttons. It happens through practice, repetition, paying attention, hard work, and rewatching videos you've already watched, because face it, there's not a single one of you who knows every single video by heart and can replicate everything I ask you to do. So there you go. It's up to you. But when I notice something's turned green, don't be surprised if a voice comes from behind you asking you to do a bunch of things. And I hope you surprise me. I hope you're able to do it all. But if you're not, there's going to be a consequence, and that's going to, rep is what's going to be stripped, along with some XP. A lot more than you can recover through these quests.